Bill 200. This boggles the mind, Chris. House Bill 200 by Representative Dixon McMakin, who I like a good deal. He wants to he wants to automatically appoint people to the RPEC, the Republican Parish Executive Committee in East Baton Rouge Parish. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and call this what it is, and it's a power grab. Tell me what happened with that, and tell me that this is something that's not going to move forward,
Yeah,
please.
I told Dixon, and I put forward that this is going to be the functional equivalent of a terrible movie that an otherwise pretty good actor did that he hopes everybody will forget. And I have a feeling that that's what this is. HB 200 would have basically entirely reconfigured the local Republican Parish Executive Committee in East Baton Rouge Parish
Which is not
by
even the purview of the legislature.
which is not. It's a private organization that's government has no authority to regulate the electoral process within a local RPEC. It's a private organization. This bill would have allowed all statewide Republican officials who are registered to vote in East Baton Rouge Parish, and every state rep and senator from East Baton Rouge Parish to be appointed automatically to the local RPEC. Many Republicans voted for this, despite the fact that it's illegal and despite the fact that it would invite undue influence into a local RPEC by way of appointment, not by way of election. Still, 7-7, it was a tie. And in committee, in a 7-7 vote, if it's a tie, it loses. It's